Welcome to Education Hub. A is for arm. B is for bus. C is for cake. D is for donut. E is for elf. F is for fan. G is for glass. H is for hammer. I is for iron. J is for jelly. K is for kettle. L is for leaves. M is for moon. N is for nut. O is for omelette. P is for pot. Q is for quail. R is for ring. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for UFO. V is for valley. W is for wall.
X is for Xerus. Y is for York. Z is for zero.
Please subscribe our channel for new videos.